In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your own Bybit card. This can be a great tool for anyone interested in managing their cryptocurrencies more efficiently and flexibly. So, let's dive into the process and make sure you get all the details right. First things first, to start this journey, you'll want to grab your device, be it a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and open the Bybit platform. You can simply go to the Bybit website or use the mobile app if that's more convenient for you. If you're not already a user, you'll have to sign up, but if you are, go ahead and log into your account. For the new users, signing up is usually straightforward, involving providing your basic details like email and setting a secure password. Always remember to verify your email for security reasons before you proceed. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and interface if you're new to Bybit. It's accessible, but knowing where things are will save you time later. This process is seamless with the guidance right on the platform. Curl yourself around the dashboard, where you will find options related mostly to trading activities. But don't get distracted, we are here to get you that card. Now, look for anything related to account settings or finance. You might find it in a drop-down menu or under a separate tab. This might also be tagged as Bybit Card or Services, depending on their latest updates or UI enhancements. Go ahead and click to access it. In this section, Bybit will likely provide all you need to know about their card services, including eligibility, benefits, and perhaps some terms and conditions. Please take your time to read this thoroughly. Understanding these details will ensure you know how to maximize your card benefits and avoid any potential fees or misunderstandings. Once well acquainted, proceed to submit a request for the Bybit card. This option should prompt you to enter your shipping details, confirm your current identity verification status, or even complete additional verification steps. It's all about ensuring security for both you and Bybit, so have your identification documents ready should you need to upload or verify anything new. After you've entered the necessary information, review everything carefully. Confirmation screens often contain important details, so make sure address details and information match up and that they're correct. Mistakes could delay your card's arrival, and no one wants that. Finally, site instructions will notify you about the processing and shipping times. This can sometimes take a few days or even weeks, depending on your location and other logistical factors. Once your card arrives, remember to activate it, usually through the Bybit platform or by following activation steps that might come with it. Enjoy the blend of convenience and control it brings to your crypto ventures. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading with your new Bybit card.